Hi guys, today I'm just taking a walk in my backyard because, it's nice outside, so I just wanted to do a video where I'm just outside. So I'm just gonna walk around my yard, So, yeah, and I got this new tripod that I'm recording this video on, and it's really cool, guys. It can turn into a tripod with 4 legs, and then you can lift it up, and then it will become a selfie stick. It can turn into a selfie stick if you do that. So yeah, I'm just walking around my yard because it's a beautiful day outside, So, yeah, I helped my dad fix his truck, put oil in his truck. And if you see this blue truck, that's my dad's truck. So, yeah, I helped my dad with that. And I'm gonna sit down here, guys, and yeah, it's a good day outside, as you can see. Blue skies, green grass, it's pretty good outside. I don't usually go outside that much at my house, so yeah. So I'm just walking around, and yeah, but look at these beautiful flowers, guys. Flowers that are starting to grow. I picked some earlier. I just gotta go over by my dad's truck real quick. That's where it is. Found them. I just need to pick them up real quick, guys. Yeah. Hang on, guys. Yeah, so these are the flowers that I picked earlier off camera. And yeah, it's just a beautiful day outside. I don't really get to go outside that much. If you want me to go to the park, just like and subscribe. That's how I know you want me to go to the park and stuff. I'll do that with my parents and stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna sit in the grass real quick and put the legs up on my tripod. Hang on, guys. It's a work in progress. Technical difficulties, but okay. So I'm just gonna sit here and just talk about how beautiful it is. So it's windy and stuff. And yeah, look at this grass. And I'll probably go to the park with my mom and dad and my sister. Hopefully. And if you guys want to check out my other videos, you can. And yeah, guys. I can do anything you want. And later today, I'm going to watch a movie later, and I'm gonna do a 3 a.m. challenge and stuff. Well, an all-nighter where I stay up at 3 a.m. because it's the weekend, you know, no school, so I'll do that. And yeah, it's good to get fresh air, guys. Like, I've been in the house for like a long time making videos, but I think I'm gonna start making videos outside. I mean, look at how beautiful this flower is. I mean, like, it's yellow. It's getting to be summertime, but it's springtime right now. So the flowers are growing. These dandelions are growing everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna do a 3 a.m. challenge later today. Well, all-nighter 3 a.m., whatever you want to call it. And yeah, guys, it's just a beautiful day here. I think I just might lay in the grass. It's fun out here, but also bored. I'm also getting quite bored. I'm also wearing a sweatshirt because, you know, kind of chilly out here, but just wind. I heard that it was gonna rain today, so yeah, but right now it's not raining. It's pretty much sunny all day. And yeah, guys. I'm just gonna play with the flowers here because I don't really know what else is to do out here. But yeah, I'm gonna pick you guys up because I just really don't feel like doing this right now here. Okay. So my tripod just came today and I'm using it to record this video. And for some reason there's this chip in it. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna run, you know? And yeah, and let me show you something, guys. So we're starting to grow a garden over here. You know, we're growing a garden, but some plants in October because, you know, those pests, aka animals, keep doing that. The squirrels are in the trees, you know. And here's woods that me and Carter play in. You guys know who Carter is. He's one of my friends on this channel. But you barely see him on here because I don't hang out with him every day. But yeah, guys. This is a pretty cool woods out back here. And yeah, just like over here, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm a little bit tired too because I stayed up last night. And somewhere around like this area, it's like dirty. And if you hear barking, that's just the neighbor's dogs. So yeah, but look at these beautiful flowers that my mom is growing. Some of the plants are dead, but most of them are pretty beautiful, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go in the shade by the trees. Well, I'm gonna walk back up this dang hill, because there's another hill that you gotta walk up to get to my house. If you wanna go back up to my house when you're in the woods or whatever, there's one hill and then you gotta walk up here. So like, if you don't know what I'm talking about, hill, and then you gotta walk. Keep walking all the way over there, and then turn. That's what my house is like, guys. And we got some stuff over here where the hose is. And fun fact, before I even started this YouTube channel, me and Carter were over here playing with water balloons at night. And it's pretty fun. Yeah, and we got the sprinkler over here. I don't even know if it works. So, yeah. And I think this is part of the thing. Or the... Hang on, guys. I need to position you. So, I don't know what this thing is. I think it goes with the sprinkler. Hose. Well, the rest of it. Hose faucet. And then here are some plants that my mom likes to grow over here. This thorny thing. And this little green plant for some reason. So yeah. Guys, I'm gonna go back inside. So yeah, guys, I'm back inside. And here's my dad. Say hi.
Hi.
That's
Tuna helper, you want some?
what?
I'm gonna make some tuna helper. Do you want some?
Yeah, I'll have some.
Okay.
So, yeah, I'm gonna have some tuna for a snack. And if you want to see what I game on this. And yeah, guys. And I'll show you the best part of this whole entire house. This little fella. His name's Charles. He's such a sweet cat, but when he's playful, oh my God, you do not want to mess with him. He likes to bite you when he's playful. And yeah, guys, if you're not new time viewers and you've been watching me for a long time, then that means that you saw the videos with Mr. Charles over here. And I also have another cat. I don't know where she's at, but I'm gonna look for her. I think she might be in my dad's room. Is she? Nope. But I have this other fat cat. Her name's Frank. And yeah, I'm in my sister's room right now. And yeah, guys. I'm probably gonna go outside. But here is the best backpack in the whole entire world. Mine, of course. Sorry if the camera got so close to my face. My dad's over there. If you don't see him, he's like right. I'm pointing to him, but just right there. If you see my finger, right there behind me. And yeah, he's making a tuna helper. Oh yeah, and check this out. I got this from school. I got it a while ago.
Hey, can you stop recording while I'm cooking?
And yeah, I'll record in another room. So yeah, I got that paper, well, a coupon basically, for me doing typing at school. And yeah, I'm just sitting here with my boy Charles. And yeah, guys, this has been the most great video ever that I have made. And my cat, he's just chilling. He's just snuggling with me. See him? He's just snuggling with me. How's it going, Charles? He's such a sweet cat. I have some cat hair on my face. Looking at the camera here, and I think I still have cat hair. But anyway, yeah. That's why my clothes are basically for like cat hair, because of this little guy. So yeah, I'm gonna go back outside, and if you want me to take this little fella on a walk, then hopefully YouTube will let you guys comment if you want me to take him on a walk. He's kind of playful right now. He likes to lick you, and then he likes to bite you for some reason. So I'm gonna go outside, and I'm probably just gonna run around outside. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna leave my cat to it, and I'm just gonna sit out here and enjoy the breeze while you guys listen to me talk. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers at the end of April. I am so close. I am at 13 subscribers by the time I'm making this, and hopefully you guys would subscribe to help me get to that mark, and then hopefully we'll get our 1,000 play button. Well, 1,000 subscribers play button. And that's what I really want, guys. So that I can do a little party with all my friends. And you should also subscribe to Carter Patrum on YouTube. That's my friend's channel. He only has 3 subscribers. 3 or 2, I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure it was 3. So just go subscribe to him, and yeah, that would really be a great help and stuff, because we're trying to get that play button, because we want to hang it up, because that would be so cool if I had it. So yeah, guys, stay tuned later today for a brand new video. Well, my second video today. So then you can see the 3 a.m. half movie theater. And thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!